Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today once again I have some really good opportunities for freshers, students and early career developers. In today's video I will be covering 3 different opportunities. Out of these 2 are full-time software jobs and one is an internship. What's interesting is that these opportunities are coming from companies like GlobalLogic, Alton and Trupod. So whether you're looking for your first software engineering job or a high-paying internship, there is something for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is GlobalLogic and they are hiring for the role of technical support analyst. Now, before you skip this, because the word support, listen carefully, this is not a customer call center role. It's actually a technical position where you will spend most of your time debugging issues, analyzing logs, writing SQL queries, and working with engineering teams to solve real software problems. If you are someone trying to move forward backend development, QA automation, DevOps, or software engineering later, this kind of experience can actually become very valuable. Now, let's talk about your responsibilities. Your day to day work will include investigating technical issues reported by customers, performing root cause analysis, debugging application using Python, querying databases using SQL, documenting technical solutions, communicating issue updates with customers and internal engineering teams, and continuously improving the overall support process. So, unlike basic support roles, this one gives you exposure to actual debugging and technical troubleshooting. Now, let's discuss the skills they're expecting. The primary skills include SQL, Python, debugging, technical support, database querying, data analysis, and communication skills. They also mentioned that knowledge of data visualization, incident management, documentation, and customer support workflow will definitely strengthen your profile. Coming to the eligibility, they are looking for candidates with a bachelor's degree in CS, IT, or a related field. Freshers and candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. One thing you should know before applying is that this role operates at 24 by 7 rotational shifts, so make sure you are comfortable with that requirement. If you are someone who enjoys technical problems and working with databases, then you should definitely go for this one. Now let's move to the second opportunity. The second company is Alton and they are hiring software development interns. Honestly, this is a very attractive internship because they are offering a 28,000 rupees per month stipend and they currently have 11 openings, which increases your chances compared to companies hiring just one or two interns. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Your responsibilities include assisting in designing and developing software applications, working alongside senior developers, write clean and maintainable code, participating in code reviews, debugging software defects, learning new technologies, contributing to documentation, and collaborating throughout the software development lifecycle. So, this is a proper software development internship instead of just giving you a documentation or testing work. Now, let's discuss the required skills. The company is mainly looking for candidates who know Python, Java, C, data structures, debugging, teamwork, and problem solving. Most important thing is software development lifecycle. If you have already worked with Git, Oops, software testing, or built personal projects, your application becomes even stronger. Coming to the eligibility, they are looking for students currently pursuing CS, software engineering, or related degrees. So, college students looking for hands on development experience should definitely prioritize this opportunity. And because you will be working directly with experienced software engineers on real world projects, this internship can significantly improve your resume before placement season starts. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third company is Trupod and they are hiring for the role of AI product engineer. This is a remote full-time opportunity and the salary ranges from approximately 3.5 LPA to 12 LPA depending on your skills and experience. Now, this role is quite different from traditional software engineering jobs. Instead of writing code in backend APIs or front-end pages, you will own complete product development for Shopify based AI solutions. Your responsibilities include building Shopify storefronts, developing responsive front-end applications, integrating Shopify APIs, preparing product requirement documents, performing end-to-end testing, managing deployments, creating reusable development workflows, and working directly with clients from planning to final delivery. So, this role gives you exposure to both technical development and product ownership. Now, let's talk about the required skills. The company expects knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Shopify, and Shopify APIs, including Liquid, Git, Figma, front-end development, quality assurance, and problem solving. They have also mentioned AI coding tools, workflow automation, prompt engineering, and e-commerce development as valuable additional skills. Coming to the eligibility, they are mainly looking for candidates with a bachelor's degree in CS, IT, or related field. Freshers are eligible, which makes this even more exciting considering it's a remote internship. So, who should apply for this one? If you are interested in front end development, software engineering, e commerce platform, and a startup environment where you will get ownership of complete projects and you are able to do that, then Trupod should definitely be on your application list. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities. If you are interested in debugging and technical operations, then go for the GlobalLogic opportunity. And if you want a strong software development experience during your college days with a stipend, then Alton is definitely worth applying for. And if your goal is working on AI products, modern web development, and remote startup engineering, then Trupod is probably one of the most exciting opportunities in today's video. Whichever role matches your profile, don't delay your application because these opportunities can close anytime once enough candidates apply. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.